Hi, this is Stocks. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another orange tea recipe. Why orange tea, if you may ask? Because oranges are readily available and they are high in vitamin C. And vitamin C drinks help to keep the cold away. So this is one tea recipe you need this winter. For this tea recipe, you need orange peel, 1.5 cup of water, 1 star anise, 3/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of black tea. To get this started, add everything into your pot excluding the orange juice, which you would add later. Then boil on low heat. Once you bring everything to a boiling point, add in your orange juice. Then boil for additional 1 minute. Once this is done, sieve and add in your honey. You can adjust the honey to suit your preference. Are you an orange lover? Will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Stocks, and on this channel I upload yummy meal recipes, healthy drink recipes, career talk, travel vlogs, and some other lifestyle vlogs. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. Do you enjoy the video and would you like to see more winter tea recipes? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. And if you are watching for the first time, let me know where you are watching from. See you some other time with another winter tea recipe.